Hey guys, welcome on my channel. I am Edloya. In this video, we will solve the question paper of CLAT LLM 2019. Let's start. So, part 1 is deals with the objective type questions, and these questions are 100 in numbers. Let's see question first. Question first is, which one of the following is not formally considered as an amendment to the Constitution under Article 368? Option A, creation of new states. Option B, change in the preamble. Option C, change in the part 4A. Option D, change in the part 12. तो राइट आंसर इसका हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन ए, क्रिएशन ऑफ न्यू स्टेट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Who presides over the joint sitting of the two houses of parliament? Option A, Speaker. Option B, President. Option C, Vice President. Option D, nominee of the Chief Justice of India. Right answer is B, President. Question number 3. Which of the following category of judges is not mentioned in the Constitution? Option A, Acting Judge. ये तो mention है. Additional Judge. ये भी mention है. Ad hoc Judge. ये भी mention है. पोइसन जज ये मेंशन नहीं है, तो राइट आंसर इसका हो जाएगा डी, पोइसन जज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. द राइट टू वोट इन इलेक्शन इन इंडिया इज अ फंडामेंटल राइट, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट, स्टैट्यूटरी राइट्स, कस्टमरी राइट. राइट आंसर इज बी, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. द फंडामेंटल राइट टू फॉर्म कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज इज प्रोवाइडेड अंडर आर्टिकल 19(1)(c). Question number 6. The ordinance making power of the President under the Indian Constitution is an executive power, a legislative power, quasi-legislative power, quasi-executive power. Option A, an executive power. Question number 7. The concurrent power to impose tax has been provided under Article 246, List 3rd of Schedule 7, Article 307, Article 246A. तो राइट आंसर इज डी, आर्टिकल 246A. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. The Goods and Services Tax Council is set up under Article 263, Article 269E, Article 279E, Article 281. Right answer is C, Article 279A. Question number 9. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? B.N. Rao, B.R. Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad, K.M. Munshi. C.P.R. अम्बेडकर तो हमारे ड्राफ्ट कमेटी के चेयरमैन थे, तो ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं होंगे. एंड राजेंद्र प्रसाद जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूट असेंबली के चेयरमैन होंगे, ये भी नहीं है. ये दोनों निकल गए. बाकी दो ऑप्शन बचे आपके पास, बी.एन. राव एंड के.एम. मुंशी. राइट आंसर इज ए, बी.एन. राव, श्री बी.एन. राव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Which one of the following is the correct statement in relation to the collegium? Option A, appointment and transfer of judges in the higher judiciary. Option B, appointment and transfer of judges in the judiciary. Option C, appointment, transfer and removal of judges in the judiciary. Option D, appointment, transfer, recusal and removal of judges in the judiciary. Right answer is A. Question number 11. The Vice President of India can be removed from office by impeachment, resolution passed by both houses of Parliament, resolution passed by the Council of State and agreed to by the House of the People. Option D, resolution by both houses and order signed by the President of India. The right answer is option C. Question number 12. The President decides on disqualification of members of Parliament under Article 103 only on the advice of Council of Ministers, B, Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court of India. Option C, Election Commission. Option D, Chief Justice of India. Right answer is Election Commission, C. Question number 13. The recent amendment to the Constitution of India paying way for 10% reservation for economically weaker section was done by amending Option A, Article 14, Option B, Article 15 and 16, Option C, Article 15, Option D, Article 338. Right answer is Option B, Article 15 and 16. Question number 14. How many amendments have been made to the Indian Constitution so far? क्वेश्चन पेपर 2019 का है, तो इसमें पूछा है 2019 तक कितने अमेंडमेंट हो चुके थे। यहाँ पर राइट आंसर होगा सी 103। Question number 15. The National Commission for Backward Classes was created by the Constitution 101st Amendment Act 2016. Option B. The Constitution 102nd Amendment Act 2018. The Constitution 103rd Amendment to Act 2019. The Constitution 100 Amendment Act 2015. Right answer is B. Question number 16. Which among the following state has no legislative council? Answer is D. Question number 17. Passive euthanasia under certain circumstances is permissible was upheld in the case of Aruna Ramchandra Shanberg versus Union of India. Right answer is A. Question number 18. Compensatory jurisprudence was invoked by the Supreme Court in option A. Keshwanand Bharati versus State of Kerala, option B. Rudal Shah versus State of Bihar, option C. Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Raj Narayan, option D. Kiyota Holohan versus Jachil Hu. Right answer is B. Rudal Shah versus State of Bihar. Question number 19. Bashishar Nath versus Commissioner of Income Tax is often quoted with reference to the option A. Doctrine of eclipse, option B is doctrine of severability, option C. Doctrine of waiver of fundamental rights, option D. Doctrine of territorial nexus. Right answer is C. Doctrine of waiver of fundamental rights. Question number 20. Gunupati versus Nafizul Hassan deals with option A. President's election, option B. Privileges of the legislature, option C. Pardoning power, option D. Office of profit. So right answer is option B. Privileges of the legislature. Question number 21. Reservation in promotions with the consequential seniority in favor of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes is facilitated by Article 16(4)(a), Article 16(3), Article 16(4)(b), Article 15(3). Right answer is A. Article 16(4)(a). Question number 22. Article 141 of the Indian Constitution provides law declares by it is not binding on high courts. Law declares by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all courts within the territory of India. Option C. Advisory opinion may be given. Option D. Appeals from the High Court. The right answer is B. Law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all courts within the territory of India. Question number 23. Doctrine of legitimate expectation and Wednesbury principles were read by Supreme Court into. Answer is P. Article 14. Article 14. And question number 24. A 7-member bench of the Supreme Court unanimously struck down clauses 2D of Article 323A and Clause 3D of Article 323B of the Constitution relating to tribunals which excluded the jurisdiction of High Court and Supreme Court. The court held that power of judicial review over legislative action is vested in the High Court under Article 226 and in the Supreme Court under Article 32. This is an integral part of the basic structure of the Constitution. Name the case. L. Chandra Kumar versus Union of India. Option B. Kiyota Holohan versus Jachil Hu. Option C. Nagaraj versus State of Andhra Pradesh. Option D. Rajendra Singh Rana versus Swami Prasad Maurya. Answer is A. L. Chandra Kumar versus Union of India. Question number 25. The phrase complete justice is used in Article 141, Article 142, Article 144, Article 145. Right answer is B. Article 144. Article 142. Question number 26. The minimum number of judges of the Supreme Court who are to sit to decide any case involving a substantial question of a law as to the interpretation of the Constitution shall be. Option B is right. 5. Question number 27. Which of the following duties was inserted by way on an amendment in 2002? Option A. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Option B. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Option C. To safeguard public property and abjure violence. Option D. Who is a parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child, or as the case may be, ward between the age of 6 and 14 years. Right answer is D. Question number 28. The Parliament of India consists of two Houses of Parliament, President and two Houses of Parliament, President, Prime Minister and two Houses of Parliament, President, Vice President and two Houses of Parliament. The right answer is B. President and two Houses of Parliament. Question number 29. The Goods and Services Tax Council shall make recommendations to the Union and the states on a number of issues. Special provisions to how many states the Council can make recommendations. 6, 8, 11, 13. The right answer is C. 11. Question number 30. How many high courts are there in India? Option A 21, option B 22, option 3 20, option 23, option D 24. The right answer is 25. But 25 यहाँ पर mention नहीं है, so leave it this question. Question number 31. What is the total strength of the Supreme Court including the Chief Justice of India? The right answer is C. 31. Question number 32. In which case the doctrine of severability was extended by the Supreme Court to constitutional amendments? A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras, Golaknath versus State of Punjab, Keshwanand Bharti versus State of Kerala, Kilhota Holuhan versus Jachilhu. The right answer is Kilhota Holuhan versus Jachilhu. Question number 33. Among the following judges against whom the motion for removal were initiated in either House of Parliament? Option A. Justice Ramaswamy and Justice Dinakaran. Option B. Justice Ramaswamy and Justice Sumitru Sen. Option C. Justice Dinakaran and Justice Sumitru Sen. Option D. Justice Ramaswamy and Justice Karnan. Right answer is B. Question number 34. Question number 34. Recently, the Supreme Court in Ram Janmabhoomi case, option A has ordered mediation by a panel, option B has declined to decide on the case, has upheld the Allahabad High Court's decision, option D none of the above. Right answer is A. Question number 35. The Constitution Day is celebrated on 26 November. Question number 36. If the Anglo-Indian community is adequately represented, the President may nominate not more than Desh member to the Lok Sabha. Right answer is B. 2. Question number 37. In which case the Supreme Court applied the doctrine of prospective overruling for the first time to resolve a constitutional question? ऑप्शन ए के गोपालन वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ मद्रास, ऑप्शन बी सज्जन सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ राजस्थान, ऑप्शन सी शंकरी प्रसाद वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, ऑप्शन डी गोलकनाथ वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब. The right answer is Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Question number 38. How many judges of the Supreme Court were superseded in the appointment of Justice A.N. Rai as the Chief Justice of India? Right answer is B. Question number 39. The directive principles of state policy were framed based on the provisions of Swiss Constitution, Australian Constitution, Irish Constitution, none. The right answer is Irish Constitution. Question number 40. The Chief Justice of India who passed away while in office was option A Justice A.N. Rai, option B Justice Sabyasachi Mukherjee, option C Justice J.S. Verma, option D Justice E.S. Venkatamaya. The right answer is B, Justice Sabyasachi Mukherjee. Question number 41. Every promise and every set of promises framing the consideration for each other is known as. Answer is B, agreement. Question number 42. The correct sequence in the formation of a contract is offer, acceptance, agreement, consideration. या फिर एग्रीमेंट, कंसिडरेशन, ऑफर, एक्सेप्टेंस. ऑप्शन सी ऑफर, कंसिडरेशन, एक्सेप्टेंस, एग्रीमेंट, ऑप्शन डी ऑफर, एक्सेप्टेंस, कंसिडरेशन, एग्रीमेंट. द राइट आंसर इज डी, ऑफर, एक्सेप्टेंस, कंसिडरेशन, देन एग्रीमेंट. Question number 43. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer under the codes given below the list. ऑप्शन ए मोहरी बीबी केस, ये माइनर्स का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ये जाएगा इस पर, और सत्या बत्रा घोष केस ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. हेडले वर्सेस बैक्सेंडल ये फर्स्ट इस पर जाएगा. कालिल वर्सेस कार्बोलिक ये था हमारा इन्विटेशन टू ट्रेड. तो यहाँ पर आंसर क्या हो जाएगा 44213. Right answer is A. Question number 44. Acceptance sent through post can be revoked at any time, cannot be revoked at all. Option C can be revoked before it comes to the knowledge of the offerer. Option D can be revoked only if it does not reach the offerer. The answer is C, can be revoked before it comes to the knowledge of the offerer. Question number 45. A applied for allotment of 100 shares in B company. A letter of allotment addressed to A was posted in due time, but it never reached A. The posting of letter of allotment completes the contract. It doesn't complete the contract, makes the contract voidable, makes the contract void. यहाँ पर contract complete हो चुका है, तो right answer is A, complete the contract. Question number 46. It takes a life insurance policy making a false statement about his health and does not disclose the fact that he has been treated for a serious illness. In this case, which one of the following statement is correct? Option A, contract is void. Option B, the contract is valid. Option C, contract is voidable on the ground of fraud. Option D, contract is voidable on the ground of misrepresentation. Answer is contract is voidable on the ground of fraud. Question number 47. In which case it has been laid down that a promise to pay subscription is binding on the promisor of promisee has undertaken some liability on the faith of the promisee. Answer is B, Kedarnath versus Gauri Mohammad. Question number 48. Is past consideration for a promise valid to create a contract? It is valid only in Indian law and not in English law. Option B, it is valid only in English law and not in Indian law. Option C, it is valid both in Indian law and English law. Option D, it is neither valid in English law nor in Indian law. So answer is A, it is valid only in Indian law, not in English law. Question number 49. An agreement not enforceable by law is void contract, voidable contract, valid contract, void. Answer is A. Question number 50. Where the relations subsisting between the parties are such that one of the parties is in a position to dominate the will of the other and uses that position to obtain an unfair advantage over the other is known as coercion, misrepresentation, fraud, undue influence. The right answer is undue influence, option D.